Imagine being more afraid of running out of money than of death itself. It sounds extreme, but that's the reality for millions of people. Right now, 40% of American adults are struggling just to cover basic expenses, and it's only getting worse. In 2022 alone, financial hardship grew by 34%, following a similar rise the year before. Why are so many people broke? In today's video, we will discuss how we can manage our expenses and make good money, and also some reasons why people are broke these days. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Let's dive in. Many people struggle financially because they're always chasing the next big thing, thinking it will bring happiness. But no matter how much they buy, the satisfaction fades quickly. Learning to be content with what you have is key to avoiding the expensive habit of constantly upgrading and overspending. True fulfillment doesn't come from more things, but from appreciating what you already have. Reason number 2. The rich mentality. Contrary to popular belief, the richest people aren't the ones showing off their wealth. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest men, is famous for his simple lifestyle. He's a prime example of the rich mentality. It's not about spending lavishly, it's about respecting money. Buffett sees money as a way to create security and freedom, not as something to throw away on luxury for the sake of appearances. Many people think that being rich means spending everything, but the truly wealthy focus on preserving and growing their wealth, not flaunting it. Reason number 3. We are becoming lazy. Our society is becoming more and more dystopian. With each passing year, we are becoming too good, advanced for good. What I mean by that is people are seeking too much pleasure and convenience in their lives because right now. For example, we are now too lazy to get up and put an effort to bring food or even shop. We prefer using apps in our phones for getting food or things we need. We would rather pay anyone to work for us rather than just do it ourselves. These bad habits and laziness in every part of life results in man being broke. Reason number 4, it's more expensive to be broke. Dave Ramsey, another well-known financial advisor, often talks about how being broke costs more in the long run. He shares the story of a woman who couldn't afford to buy a car outright, so she financed it. Like many others, she didn't realize how much the interest and fees would add up over time. By the end of the loan, she had paid nearly double what the car was worth. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of saving and buying things in full, because when you don't have the money up front, borrowing becomes a costly trap. When you're broke, you end up paying more just to get by, and that's a harsh reality for millions of people. Another reason is most of the people fail to understand how they are spending their money. Many people spend their entire life working hard to make money and struggle for that. However, they don't even take a minute to understand or think where and when they are spending. So, mindful spending can help you save yourself from being broke. Sometime understanding how you earn money and what it is, you will spend mindfully. We all need to understand that money shows our time. You save your money, your time, and efforts by spending mindfully. So, spending less and saving more would save you from the struggles of being broke. Reason number 6, justifying their hard work. Many people are hardworking and put a lot of effort into earning money, which is a great thing. This enables them to earn a lot. So seemingly, they shouldn't be broke, right? Unfortunately, such people also fall prey to losing their hard-earned money. The main reason is they try to justify their hard work by spending more. If you spend mindfully and try to save, you would be able to save a lot of your time waking up, working Monday through Friday, and sometimes over the weekend, working over weekends. In fact, most of the people don't even like working. Reason number 7. They don't care about money. Most people don't care about their money, like how they earn, and how important it is to spend your time on high-paying jobs and make resources. Take the story of financial expert Suze Orman. In her early career, Suze had no idea how money worked. She lived paycheck to paycheck, ignoring her finances, until one day she was left with almost nothing after a bad investment. That moment changed her perspective. She realized that if she didn't care about her money wouldn't care about her. Like Sue's, many people believe that as long as they make money, it will all somehow work out. But the truth is, when you don't take the time to learn about money and manage it, it becomes a source of anxiety. Those who care enough to understand how it works find that it's less of a burden in their lives. Money is a tool, and the more you respect it, the less it controls you. Reason 8. Buying unnecessary things. These days, it's easy to treat online shopping like a daily celebration. The excitement of receiving packages feels like opening presents, but that thrill doesn't last. Soon, people are left with unnecessary stuff and less money. Constantly buying things we don't need can lead to financial strain, making it harder to stay on top of expenses. Reason 9. They throw money away. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, discusses how people often spend money on impulse purchases to chase the fleeting excitement of new. He shares the story of one of his readers, Mike, who would regularly splurge on electronics and clothes whenever he felt down. That initial thrill of buying something new would make him feel good for a while. But soon after, the excitement would fade, and he was left with more stuff and less money. Clear points out that while there's a momentary high when we buy something, the long-term consequences of impulse spending can damage our financial health. Most people don't realize how much they're throwing away on purchases that bring short-lived joy but leave lasting damage to their bank accounts. In the end, managing money is less about how much you have and more about how you handle it. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll set yourself up for a much brighter financial future. It's not about earning a fortune overnight. It's about making smart choices with what you already have. Your financial journey is in your hands, and with the right steps, you can take it wherever you want to go.